Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of a spacious home for your growing family but want something unique and cost-effective? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of barndominiums, specifically focusing on 5-bedroom layouts perfect for larger families. I've found 5 incredible floor plans, ranging from a cozy 2,500 square feet all the way up to a luxurious 3,500 square feet. These designs are all about maximizing bedroom space without sacrificing those beautiful, open-concept living areas we all love. So, if you're ready to find the perfect layout for your crew, let's get started and explore the best 5-bedroom barndominium floor plans out there. First up, we have a fantastic single-story layout coming in at 2,500 square feet. This plan is all about simplicity and efficiency. It features 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, all conveniently located on one level. What I love about this design is the split bedroom layout. On one side of the home, you have the master suite, creating a private retreat for the parents. On the other side, you'll find the remaining 4 bedrooms, which share 2 well-placed bathrooms. This is perfect for keeping the kids close by but giving everyone their own space. The heart of this home is the central open concept area, combining the kitchen, dining, and living rooms into one large, welcoming space. It's ideal for families who value togetherness and want to keep an eye on everything happening. As for the cost, you are looking at a build range of approximately $250,000 to $350,000, making it a really accessible option for a 5-bedroom home. Moving on to our second design, we are stepping it up a bit to a 2,800 square foot layout that includes a fantastic bonus room. This one is super versatile. You get 4 bedrooms on the main floor and a 5th bedroom upstairs. This upstairs space is a game changer. It could be a media room for epic family movie nights, a dedicated playroom, or even a private guest suite for when family comes to visit. With 3.5 bathrooms spread throughout, the morning rush should be a little less chaotic. The main floor is thoughtfully designed with the master suite and 3 additional kids' bedrooms. A standout feature here is the large kitchen island, which can comfortably seat 6 people. Imagine the kids doing their homework there while you're prepping dinner. This layout is absolutely perfect for families who need a bit of separation, maybe for older kids or teens who want their own hangout spot. The estimated build cost for this design ranges from $280,000 to $380,000. It's a great investment for a home that can adapt as your family grows. Now, for our third option, let's talk about that classic, charming farmhouse style. This is a 3,000 square foot, single-level layout that just screams welcome home. It boasts 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and that iconic wraparound porch. I just picture yourself sipping coffee out there in the morning. The bedroom arrangement here is really smart. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is a fantastic solution for siblings. The other 3 bedrooms each have their own private access to a bathroom, offering a little more privacy. One of my favorite features is the extra-large laundry room that conveniently connects directly to the master closet. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in daily life. Plus, there's a mudroom entry straight from the garage, which is a lifesaver for keeping dirt and clutter out of your main living area. For a home with this much style and function, the build costs typically range from $300,000 to $400,000. Alright, let's look at design number 4, a 3,200 square foot 2-story layout. This one is all about smart space utilization, making it a great choice if you have a smaller lot to build on. By building up, you get all the space you need without a massive footprint. Downstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including the spacious master suite. This is great for parents who prefer to stay on the main level. Then upstairs, you have 2 more bedrooms, a shared bathroom, and a versatile loft area. This loft is a fantastic bonus space. It could be a kids' lounge, a dedicated homework station, or even a home office. This design also emphasizes outdoor living with a large covered patio. Perfect for summer barbecues and relaxing evenings. The total estimated cost for this efficient and stylish home ranges from $320,000 to $420,000. Finally, for those who want to go all out, we have our 5th design, a 3,500 square foot luxury layout. This is the dream barndo for a large family that loves to entertain and wants a little extra elbow room. We're talking 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and even a dedicated office space for those who work from home. The master suite in this plan is a true sanctuary, complete with its own sitting area and an oversized walk-in closet you could get lost in. Every bedroom in this design is generously sized with plenty of closet space, so there will be no fighting over storage. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, which features a walk-in pantry and a butler's pantry, an entertainer's dream. To top it off, a 3-car garage connects to a large, practical mudroom. This luxury design typically costs between $350,000 and $450,000 to build. So there you have it, 5 incredible 5-bedroom barndominium layouts, each with its own unique strengths. The great news is that building a barndominium can often be 15 to 20% less expensive than building a traditional home of the same size, which means you get more space for your money. When you're making your choice, really think about your family's daily life. Consider things like bedroom privacy, how your family shares bathrooms, and what your needs might be in the future as your kids grow up. I hope this has given you some great ideas and inspiration for your own family's dream home. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more barndominium floor plans and building tips. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let me know which of these layouts would be the perfect fit for your family. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more design ideas and detailed cost breakdowns. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.